Hi, Chris Hogge with Bruno International. The supply chain has been crazy for the past couple of years, and we wanted to discuss optimizing media for your digital print presses. As we know, digital media has been expanding and growing for decades. All different inks, from toner to electro ink to inkjet. One challenge these unique digital print technologies face is finding optimized media for commercial, carton, and synthetic use within these platforms. As many are familiar, prime media is required for several reasons: proper ink adhesion, quality of print, color, and durability, particularly when it comes to coated premium brands. The challenge with this, especially during the COVID supply chain issue, is there is less media options available for your customers. Additionally, Substrate has become very expensive to procure, if it's even available at all. A huge growth area where we have impacted the digital print market is with priming on our ExcelCoat series. This hugely benefits printers by reducing costs. Priming in-house typically saves 20 to 50% annually on media, all while improving the quality and durability of the print and by using less ink. Additionally, priming allows standardization between offset and digital substrates, as well as expanding media offerings such as carton and secure card. So, the two biggest takeaways here: having on-demand control of your media without waiting for suppliers, and reducing the cost to your bottom line.